Hop into the 2023 Ford F-150. Enjoy a new level of ease and confidence whether at work or play when you're in this F-150. Available features let you customize its hard-working bed, and a unique combination of military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give you the edge with class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, backup camera, remote engine start, satellite radio, electronic stability control, Bluetooth. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.